This is the Everglades. Hidden in its deep jungle of plant life lurks the deadly and savage alligator, ever in search for food. Uh-oh, here comes my dinner. I wonder what's on the menu. Yummy, yummy. A big, fat, luscious woodpecker.
Hey, turn on the lights. Who's the wise guy?
Welcome, Woodpecker. Welcome to Gabby Gator's Health Resort.
Health resort? Ugh.
You're a sick, sick bird.
I am?
Man, you are sick, 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 sick. You are sick. What you need is a mineral bath.
You know something? I feel better already. Thanks for the mineral bath, chum. Top, top.
Hold it, Buster. You still got that sickly look. Here, lie in the sun, son. I'll put some color in your cheeks.
He's a nice alligator.
Wear these sunglasses and relax. Now, if you drop the sun lotion, a little tannin oil.
Something cooking? Wait a minute. This ain't no health resort. It's a cafeteria.
Yeah, and you're my dish.
Now, chum, you don't want to eat me. Look, I'm just a mess of bones. Here, take a closer look. Just bones, see? Now, if you're really hungry, I'll fix you a hamburger. Here you are. Happy appetite.
Thanks. Just the way I like it. Plenty of ketchup. Ah.
This town ain't big enough for the two of us, so I'm leaving.
Come back, you blue plate special. My little plum pudding, your goose is cooked. Come out, Woodpecker. I got you surrounded. Come out. You are trapped. Trapped. T-R-A-P-P-E. E. 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 See a silly-looking woodpecker go by?
Woodpecker, he got big beak like this.
That's right.
He got funny hairdo.
Like this?
Hair like this.
That's right, that's right.
He go in wiggy-wummy.
Thanks, Chief. Okay, Woodpecker, you're washed up. Hey, Well, what happened? Let me out of here. No, no. Help! Help!
Come and get it! Come and get it!
Help! Hey! Help! Hey! What's going on? Help me out of here!
Well, I wonder what's on radar tonight. Well, what do you know? An adult Western.